welcome to another Clean With Me vlog kind of video. Today is finally the day that we are going to clean the shower. I've been dreading this. I hate this chore. I don't remember the last time I cleaned the shower, probably like a month ago or so. I don't know how often you're supposed to clean it. Probably not once a month. But the shower head is what really needs to be cleaned. It's got all kinds of crusty stuff on it. I have never cleaned it. We moved in, fall of last year, and I haven't cleaned it at all. Like, not once. So it's pretty bad. It's to the point where like the water's like squirting out in different directions. It's not going straight because there's so much gunk. So we're gonna finally take care of that. So today's Thursday, tomorrow's Good Friday, and I want to take a nice relaxing bath tomorrow. And paint my fingers, paint my toes, and do the whole 9 yards. And I want to bathe in a clean bathtub. So that's my motivation to get this done today. And then we're gonna put on a load of laundry and maybe do some other chores around the house. But we're gonna clean the bathtub first and foremost. Okay, but first we're gonna actually throw in a load of laundry. So I went shopping yesterday and I found some really cute bathing suits. So first, I'm gonna show you NYX. I found this, I think at Dillard's. No, not Dillard's. TJ Maxx. No. Well, I don't remember. But look how stinking cute this is. They have little turtles on them. I love it. I don't know if Nick's too crazy about the turtles, but I thought it was too cute. Yeah. And then I got myself, a lot of our bathing suits are old and we've been having them for years, so that Nick and I both needed a refresh. So yeah, so then I went to Dick's Sporting Goods and I got these high-waisted bottoms and this top, and the straps like cross in the back and then it like clips, so I thought that was pretty secure. We're gonna go on a cruise with some family at the end of the summer, so I need a bathing suit that's safe to go on water slides and stuff. I don't need anything too stringy. Plus I like to wear like more modest, I mean not super modest like one piece and like shorts and stuff, but I still like to wear bikinis and stuff, but nothing too cheeky, I don't like my butt hanging out or anything like that. So I thought this one was pretty modest and it's nice quality and it's got a cute print on it, so what more could I want? But yeah, just wanted to share those in case y'all are in the market. Let's get a good before shot of my disgusting bathroom. First, the shower heads. Can you get that? Can you see that? You see all that crust? Like, I promise you it looks worse in person. And then, let's see, I don't know if there's any way to get rid of all these watermarks as well, but it's pretty bad. And then just our tub is just disgusting in general. I don't think you can really tell, like, in person. Look at that. Because everyone likes a good before and after. So, yeah. Okay, I guess we'll get started. I, looked it up on Google. Hold on, let me put you down. Sorry I had to leave suddenly. My puppy has gotten into the habit of chewing our door frames and baseboards. So I had to go fuss at her. If y'all have any tips for that, let me know. Right now, everywhere she's chewed, we just fuss at her when like we catch her, and then we put painter's tape over it so she can't like chew that one spot again. And that's been working. And they have like plenty of toys to chew. Like they have tons of bones and balls and like rope toys and tons of things. And then they go outside and they find all kinds of things to chew out there, and I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so I have to clean the shower head along with the rest of the disgusting shower. And I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, welcome to this episode of Stephanie Cleans Her House, and she has no clue what she's doing half the time. We're all learning here. So I Googled this earlier because I feel like I've seen something on Facebook or something where you just fill up a bag, like a Ziploc baggie with like vinegar, and you tie it on your shower head. Do I need baking soda? Do I need like lemon? Because I know like other things, like for other things you need that too. I don't know. But I saw this video on YouTube from eHow, and they said that it's just vinegar and then you tie it up there for like 30 minutes to an hour. So I guess we're gonna try that. I don't have like an old toothbrush though. Maybe I can just use a rag. Maybe I can use my current toothbrush and then, cause I don't wanna use a new toothbrush unless I just dedicate that one for like a shower head. I don't know. Okay, I'm back with baggies and some vinegar. I also bought baking soda, but I guess I'm not gonna use it. I mean, I'm sure I'll find like other uses for it. But, okay. So first, we pour it in the baggie and then we tie it up on the thing. All those reeks of vinegar. It smells horrible. I took the top shower head off and I like put it on the floor, but there's not enough. I tied it, but there's not enough vinegar in the bag because now it's upside down. See, now I have to like squeeze in some more vinegar because it's not covering the thing because it's done. This is the first one, but see, I don't understand because the vinegar only comes up to here, like, I don't know how to, you know? You could go all the way, well, whatever. And this is the second one. I think the vinegar's covering most of it. I filled the bag up to the brim, so we'll see what happens, I guess. What time is it? 3:36. So, said 30 minutes to an hour. Although, I don't have that much time. Well, I guess I'll leave it for 30 minutes. Well, a little bit over. I'll leave it for until, what is it? 4:10, I think. Well, that's sitting. It smells so bad in here. I hate the smell of vinegar. I'm gonna clean the rest of the shower, I guess. I'm gonna take everything off and spray it down. I have this spray, Kaboom OxyClean. I don't know if you're supposed to let it sit. This says shower tub and tile, and that's what we're cleaning. So I think we have the right stuff. Do we want to sanitize or disinfect? Don't some like foam up or something? I don't know. And you know what? I'm just gonna spray and wipe, honestly. I don't have time for all this. I don't feel like spraying and waiting 5 minutes every time. It's huge. Just a whole bathtub, you know? Whatever. It's a little cramped in here. We don't have very much space. It's like very narrow bathroom, so. The smell of this product and the smell of the vinegar, I need to like crack open a window. I'm like suffocating in here. Let's get a real nice after shot of this sparkly clean tub. Don't pay attention to all that water damage. We will get to that eventually. But man, look how sparkly clean. I think we did good. Gonna let down the curtain here. We have, I think, 10 minutes or so left before our 30-minute mark. So, good news. We're gonna put everything back into our tub, and our clothes are done in the washing machine. So we can go take care of that, put them in the dryer, and then be back in time to take our vinegar disaster down and see if it helped. Okay, we're gonna take this top one off first and see how we do. I'm gonna take it off and then spray it with our spray, wipe it with our rag, and hopefully we notice a difference. I don't know. I most definitely can tell a difference. Sorry for my dogs. I don't know if you can or not. They're definitely more shiny. Are they perfect? No. And I feel like a toothbrush would have helped with that. But I think it turned out pretty good for my first time doing this. And I can definitely tell though that the parts that weren't fully submerged or submerged more than like the other parts, like they're not as shiny and as clean. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that next time, but definitely have to figure that out, and the toothbrush for sure. Ooh, look at this clean bathroom. Enjoy the sight because I don't know the next time I'm going to clean it. Get a quick after shot. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Excuse my hair. I feel like it's getting progressively messier as the video goes on. Okay, so next I think we're just gonna unload the dishwasher because it's either that or computer work, and I don't feel like doing computer work, so I'm gonna do the dishwasher instead. Well, that took absolutely no time at all. So I guess we wait until the laundry's finished and we'll put that away. Call it a day. Hey guys, it's actually the next day. I didn't end up finishing the laundry. You have to take it out of the dryer and put it away. But who really does all their laundry in one day? So we're just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna end the video there. So thanks so much for watching.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes